I'll show you how you can make it look like this. Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a simple, easy DIY project. If you go near your backyard and you have your AC, if you start noticing the top ring getting rusted, it takes only 5 minutes and you can make this one looks beautiful. As you can see, I have two of these AC. Whenever I come on my backyard and I see these, and they look ugly. Let me close in and you will see. As you can see, the top ring started to rust and looks ugly. I'll show you how you can make it look like this. Let me show you the other one. What I did, I removed these screws. You really don't need to remove it, but it's a good idea to remove it. Then you need a metal brush, and then I laid out the paper. The whole reason you need to do it, if you see, the paint is like this. So we can brush them off and break it, and then you just do the spray paint. I did only one coat, going to use a nail, and there are still some pieces are sticking. When I brush it, it did not come off. So any leftovers, I'm just going to remove it. So any leftover, just clean it like this. This is the paint I'm using. It's a matching paint. If you have a black color, you can use a black color, whatever color you have. Or even you can change any color, what you like. A thin layer of one coating more, and that's it. It's already started to look better. This is it, and once it's dried out, remove the papers, then put the screws back on the second one. I'm using a drill, 11mm bolts. So lift just like this. We don't need to remove it, the AC out. You don't need to remove any electrical or anything. It is just a simple and easy. Look at this. It's all rust. We're going to brush them off really good. And once the paint going to break loose, it's going to drop. If you don't put a paper underneath, then it's going to go inside the AC and it will make a mess. Brush it really well. Make sure that you take the rust out. So if you notice, this is the reason I put the papers underneath. So this, we can discard it. This is the old paint. If you don't put anything underneath, then it will drop inside. You can discard it. Now we're going to place the papers back again. Final inspection. So this is how it looks now. It's all cleaned up. Now we're going to paint it. It's already started to look better. Let it dry, then I'm going to do one more paint. On the second one, we are done, so we can put the bolts back. Once we're going to put these bolts back, and then we're going to paint this area. And on the second AC, I'm ready for the paint. It's dried up, and now I'm going to do the same thing. So that's how it's easy and simple. You can make your AC look better. You've seen it before, and now you've seen it after. They were looking ugly, and now they're looking beautiful. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye-bye.